Hello, my name is Bruce Sullivan and I'm the owner of Sullivan Roof Cleaning. This is May the 1st, 2020, and I wanted to talk to all the Cedar Shake homeowners about how to clean, treat, and restore a Cedar Shake roof. I'm 69 years old and I've been doing Cedar Shake roof cleaning, treating, and restoring for a number of years, and I've done thousands of them. I'm going to take a little time on this video to explain a little bit about your Cedar Shake roof and how you can have it cleaned, treated, and restored and extend the life of it for many years to come. This is me here so that you'd have an idea of who I am, and I'm also going to be clicking through different photos as I explain the process. So let me go ahead and explain on how to properly clean, treat, and restore a Cedar Shake roof. And the first thing you want to do is understand that these are things you should know. Being organic, Cedar Shakes need to be cleaned. You want to avoid walking on them other than to have repairs done. Never clean with a power washer or pressure washer. If you stop and think about it, you wouldn't want to do that. Never seal them because they need to breathe. They need to expand and contract. They do not want to seal a Cedar Shake roof. It'll do more harm than good. Always replace any missing shakes, because the felt underneath the shakes is your water barrier. If the sun gets to that felt, because it's petroleum based, it will dry out over time and crack, and that will cause leaks. Also, for anyone that wants to stain a Cedar Shake roof, you can do so. Staining doesn't last very long, it's kind of expensive, and it has absolutely no preservative value. So when it comes to cleaning a Cedar Shake roof, these are the things you do not want to do. Again, I want to emphasize, as you can see here in this picture, the gentleman's walking all over the roof, and he's using a pressure washer. And with a pressure washer, he's not killing any of the infestations. All he's doing is dispersing it. He's basically taking a layer of wood right off the top of the shingles with a pressure washer, and that's all he's doing. And also what it'll do, because he's walking on it and using pressure, it'll loosen the shingles up, and over time you're going to end up having some problems. If you want to clean and you want to treat and restore a Cedar Shake roof, the proper way to do that is from a ladder. And this is me on a ladder spraying on my solution, and I'm going to explain a little bit about that in just a minute. But I do everything from a ladder. We do not walk on the roof. If we were to put in a missing shingle, we would use a ladder hook, which we roll up the roof and hooks over the top, and then walk up the ladder to do that. When it comes to rinsing, we rinse with a garden hose pressure. You don't need a pressure washer to rinse, and that's me here on the ladder. As you can see, I have a garden hose in my hand, and I'm rinsing this particular roof. So when we go to clean the roof, these are the products that I use in our solution. It's non-toxic and non-caustic. It won't hurt you, your landscaping, pets, children, or anyone else. Over here to the very far left, this is a surfactant. It's a soap. It's a biodegradable soap. We special order all this stuff so that it can be non-toxic and non-caustic. This particular green bottle here is an algicide, mildicide, and fungicide, which helps hold the infestations at bay so they don't come back so soon. This is a citrus-based solution, and when I say citrus-based, think of lemon. What this does is help open up the pores of the wood so we can get in and get all those infestations out, and we can remove all the algae, moss, mold, mildew, lichen, and brown rot fungi. Last of all, over here to the right, we use a steam process oil, which makes it a water base. And what this is helps rehydrate the shingles, because Cedar Shake shingles have a natural 3% oil content, but over years it leaches out, so we want to rehydrate them. It's like when you put moisturizer on your face to rehydrate your face. So this is the solutions that we use. We put it on from a ladder, and we take it off with a garden hose from a ladder. So that'll give you a pretty good idea of how that works. This is how you can get a hold of me. One of the things I recommend is go to my website right up here, and it's www.cedarroofclean.com. Go to that website, and on the home page at the top right, you'll see a video. If you click on that video, I'm up on a ladder. I'm actually cleaning a roof. You'll see it before and you'll see the after. And as I go through the cleaning process, it explains what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and how I do it. This is an example of some of the work that I've done. As you can see down here at the bottom, quite a mossy roof. Actually, you could have probably grown a garden on this roof. It was pretty bad. But, you know, everyone told her she needed a new roof. As you can see over here, she didn't need a new roof. All she needed was to have this stuff removed. Again, if there's a damaged shingle here or there, I carry extras with me to put them in, though I normally don't do roof repairs. So that's Bruce Sullivan with Sullivan Cedar Shake Roof Cleaning. I service the greater Midwest, and on my website it tells you where I'll service. You can, again, go to my website and look at the before and after pictures, customer reviews, videos, explains the process. You can email me at this address if you want, or you can call or text. Texting's probably best because I work a lot. So that's Bruce Sullivan. This is the proper way to clean a Cedar Shake roof. You don't use pressure, you don't walk on it, you use a non-toxic, non-caustic solution, do everything from a ladder, and it'll restore the roof and it'll extend the life of it for many years to come, and you'll get these type of results when you do it. So thank you. I hope this has been informative, and have a nice day.